if you're having issues archiving your Instagram posts, in this video let me show you how to fix this issue. Now in these situations, the first thing that you can try out is try to force close the application, which is removing the Instagram app from the recent app list, as well as try to clear out the app cache. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on clear data and then tap on the clear all data option. What this does is deletes all of the corrupted files, as well as it will log you out of your Instagram account. So once this step is complete, log in back to your Instagram account and try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, then what you can try out is try to uninstall Facebook from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. Now, even after doing both of these steps, you're still having issues with it. This is likely due to Meta servers having issues. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a few hours before you try to archive your post. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna see you in the next one.